show you how I am able to generate 40x ROAS for my client. So 40x ROAS means when I put $1 into Facebook, we get $40 back as a returns, right? When I put $1 in, I get $40 back. So I'm going to expose the whole system to you, and I'm also going to show you the behind the scene, the sequences, and all those things that we've been using to make sure we are able to squeeze everything out of this campaign and get the highest conversion so far. So I'm going to be sharing everything I've been doing here with you. So here's the campaign that is generating the 40x ROAS right now. So this is it. You can see that it is active. And then right now, we are having a budget of $2 per day. So you can see it here, $2 per day. And we are using the engagement campaign. So we have about 276 messages within the next, like within 3 weeks of running this campaign. And we can still increase the budget, but we just want to test something to see. And once we are done testing, we can now increase the budget to maximize that. And you can see how much we are paying per message, 0.12 cents, which is incredible, which is not easy, but which is incredible as well. So 0.12 cents, which is less than $1, that is what we are paying per message. So when somebody message us, we are paying Facebook 0.12 cents. And so far we've spent almost $32.71, and still the campaign is running, right? So what is the success behind this campaign that we are running? And I'm going to be showing you other things as well. So the success is the offer. If you are running a Facebook ad campaign and you don't have a good offer, that solves a major problem for your customers. Is you are going to struggle to get sales, or you are going to struggle to generate high quality leads. High quality leads means people who are interested in your service or in your product and want to buy. And if you don't have a good offer, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to actually attract those right type of people who are going to convert into sales for you. So let me show you the asset level so that you see what I'm doing here. So at the asset level, you can see that it's still 276. That is the result, the number of messages we have so far in these 3 weeks. And then we have reached this number. This is the impression, and we are spending 0.12 cents, as I showed you earlier, over here. And then we spent 12. Now look at the time we started this campaign. We started on 6th of March, right? 6th of March this year. And we are still continuing the campaign. When we test, and it will reach a point where we will increase the budget to $5 per day, and then we will see even much higher returns. But even as at now, we are getting $40 for the $1 we put in. So if we put in $1, we get $40 back, which is very good, which is like a 40x returns on investment, which is good. And we know that if we put in $5, it means we are even going to get even more revenue or income from that. So I want to show you some of the ad I am running over here. I'm going to show you the ads I'm running. We are running about 4 ads. I'm running about 4 ads over here. Image, video, video, image. So 2 images, 2 video ads. And when you look at how they are performing here, you can see over here is 82. Number of people who are able to message us through this ad is 82. This one is 8. This one is not performing very well, but that is not a problem. This one is 23, and this one is so far our high converting ad. We have 163 over there. So all making 276, right? And we have other things that are going on at the background or at the back end that I'm going to show you. So with the first ad, we are spending 0.12 cents, 0.14 cents, 0.17 cents, and we are also spending 0.11 cents. So the average cost per message or cost per result here is 0.12 cents over here. So that is what we are spending. If you look at how much we spent so far on all these campaigns, making $32, right? Imagine you put $32 and every dollar you put in, you are getting $40 back. Every $1 you put in, you are getting $40 back. Is that not a crazy ROI or crazy returns on investment for you as a business owner? So you can see that all these ads are active. Now, so right now I'm not going to be showing you so, but let me show you one of the ads that is performing very well. Let me just show you one of them that is performing very well. And as I am talking about the offer, which is very important, the offer which is very important, and apart from the offer, you see that there are other things that you have to put in place as the system. Once you have a good offer, you must have a good creative, right? The good creative is what is going to attract people, because it is the picture or the video they see first that attracts them, that grabs their attention before they click on the ad. Now, what makes them to click on the ad? Definitely that is the offer. So if they like what you're offering, if what you're offering solves a major problem or a desire for them or fulfills their desire, definitely they are going to be clicking on the ad to see what you have for them to sell to them, or what you have for them to solve their problem. So you can see, so this is the ad. I think this is loading. So you can see this is the ad. Let me scroll down a little bit. Yeah, so this is the copy I'm using for the ad, and then we are using the messaging template here. So once they choose any template, you see that this is it. So this is the copy for the ad, and you can see we have a lot of messages, we have a lot of shares, we have a lot of comments coming in every day, and we have different designs. This might not be the best creative, but right now, as of right now, it is the one that is working for us, and we are designing other creative to test it as well. So look at the copy. They say dreaming of a confident smile, and then I'm showing you something in the picture, in the image here, that is showing somebody smiling, and then you can see the person holding a particular item or product. So that is what we are showing them, and we are giving them a different offer once they click on it. And then I'm not going to talk much about the offer, but it is very important that you have a solid offer if you want to actually maximize the power of Facebook ads, right? So once the people actually click on the message, when they come here and then they said send message and they click on the message, then we send them to the back end, which is the automation. So we have connected this Facebook ad to ManyChat. Okay, I've connected this Facebook ad to ManyChat. It's a conversational, customer conversational platform that enable you to chat with your customers and convert them or turn them from just leads into appointments or paying clients. So let me show you the process, the back end of the ManyChat software that I am currently using for my client. So this is a software that is game changing for me and my clients. We are using it to convert a lot of interested people who have messaged or who have commented. So it's not just messaging. So even if they comment, we can message them back in their own inbox and then turn that conversation into booking appointment with the dental practice or the dental office or dental clinic. And then from there, through the appointment, we get them to actually go through the procedure or the service they are coming in for. Maybe they are coming in for Invisalign, they may be coming in for tooth filling or removal, or maybe teeth replacement, or maybe they are coming in for polishing and scaling or teeth whitening whatever service they are coming in for, we have a sequence, we have a system for them that can actually um, convert them from just a lead to a booked appointment where they come there and they have access to the doctor at the clinic. And then they take them through the process and they become paid clients. So here is the back end of the system. You can see a lot of conversations here. So over here you can see I've shown you earlier that we have about what 100 and let me show you here. So over here we said that the total um, message here is what? Total message. Let me go back to the campaign level because I want to show you something powerful about this ManyChat system over here. So over here, the total conversation is 276. Now let's look at this ManyChat system. It is 200 and what? 87, which means that we are not just taking messages from people who messaged us. We are not just taking them through that. We are also messaging people who have commented on our ad. So if you comment on our ad, definitely the system get triggered and then we take you through the process and then we actually convert you or we take you through the process and then you get to book an appointment with us immediately. So we take your details like your name, your location, and your phone number, and then we book an appointment for you. And then through that, you can come in at the date and time that is convenient for that client or that customer to actually come for the services they are coming in for, either Invisalign, tooth filling, replacement, extraction, polishing and scaling, whitening, whatever is it. Maybe they want to come for braces or they want to actually scale or whatever it is that they are coming in for, they are in here. And this is a pro account anyway. This ManyChat account is a pro account. So there are certain features that I'm using here. You will not get them in the free account. The free account is good, but if you want to actually have a full automation, you need the pro account, which you pay $15 per month for, and then you can see it tracks. This is a CRM, as I told you earlier. This is a CRM, so it tracks everything, right? So this is the number of people who have entered our system, and you can see the system here, the automation here. So we have the automation. When people click, they go here, they come here, they come here, and then it tags them into different systems, and then it ends here. So you can see it. You can see it. Let me actually zoom in for you. You can see the number of people who are clicking. You can see the number of messages we've sent is 100. It's even giving you the data in the system. So the number of people who have actually sent us a message is 222. Number delivered is 219. Number of people who opened and clicked to the next step is this, and this is the number of people who actually commented, and we are receiving more. So from this step, let me show you the first step. From this step, we have the first step here, right? When they come in, they send us a message or a comment, then we tag them as new lead, and then we take them through the process. We want to ask them a couple of questions to be sure they are the right people or to be sure what they are looking for. So we can see the number of questions we have here. We have, are you coming for checkup, tooth extraction, tooth filling, cleaning, whitening, replacement, Invisalign or braces? Then whatever they choose, you can see that we tag them onto the various fields. And once they get tagged, then we move them to the next what sequence or message. So you can see now we are asking them for the details. So what is your name? Once they type their name, where is your location? Once they type their location, what is your phone number so that we can contact you. Then we congratulate them and then we tell them one of our staff, which is the front desk staff from the clinic, is going to contact them soon, and then we also give them other details. If they want to call, this is the best time they can call. So you can see that this is actually the number of people we've sent this to, and 100% delivered. You can see 100%. You see, it's not easy for you to have a system that delivers everything for you 100%. And you can see once we do that, we tag them, people who select their names, their emails, their phone numbers, whatever it is, location, whatever we are looking for. And then once this gets submitted, it goes straight to the front desk staff to get them booked. So the front desk staff is going to call them to confirm their details and to get them booked. So whatever they are coming in for, they are booked already. So this system can work for any business, right? It is not only for dentists or dental clinic. It can work for any business. Whether you sell physical products, you sell online products, you have an e-commerce store, you have drop shipping, you have online courses, right? You are an influencer, you are a digital creator or creator, you can have this system on your Instagram. This one is connected to our Facebook account. You can connect this to your Instagram or your WhatsApp, and the system will be doing the work for you on autopilot. So even if we are sleeping, right, the system is still conversating or having a conversation, chatting with clients, like having a conversation with client. And that is not the only sequence we have. We have a sequence for our services. So if somebody comes in and wants to ask a question, okay, what services do we have? What product or procedures do we have? How much does it cost? What is your location? I want to contact the doctor. What are your working hours? What is your branch office? Do you have any promotion or any other thing? We have sequences for each of them that can help the person to actually get their answer immediately. And one thing about this ManyChat is that it helps to convert people, because people do not have time and patience, especially when customers come online. They do not have time and patience to wait for you to answer the time that is convenient for you. Once they ask the question, so this can work for any business, whether you're a service-based business or you're a coach or you have an actual product, online product you want somebody to buy for you, and you don't have time that you have to be messaging the clients, having a conversation back and forth. You can just set up everything in this system, an automation, and then the system will just be delivering everything for you, and all that you have to handle is the delivery aspect of the process, customer service aspect, delivery aspect. You just have your order, you deliver it, and then that's all. That is all. You don't have to touch your phone messaging every single customer or client who comes through your system. All is set for you just once. The only thing is you just have to be monitoring the system and updating or maintaining it so that the flow and the sequence does not break, because sometimes it's a software, so certain things could happen. So that is it, guys. That is it. It's very, very easy to set up, and once you set it up, it does the work for you. So that is it. So if you are a business and you want this ManyChat sequence, this ManyChat system, you are a restaurant, you sell health product, you sell beauty product, whatever you sell, you want this ManyChat sequence to be created for you, customized for your brand or your business, you can message me on Instagram. I leave my Instagram handle in the description box below. You can just message me on Instagram, or you can reach out to me via my email, and then we'll have a chat, and I'll see if I can help you to create that for your business, and also free up your time, save a lot of money for your business as you are growing your brand, you are getting more sales, and also you are helping people to solve their problem. So that is it, guys. I will be doing more video about how to use this ManyChat system. So see you in the next video.